Just wrapped up another Everest edition here at Wild Withers at Aiken, this time featuring a 4.5-inch Superlift suspension lift. Haven't ran this one in a while. Wanted to bring you guys some of the components. We upgraded to the Bilstein shock package, so you got a better, more supple ride on your shocks. Nice 4.5 kit, turned out really nice. So the 4.5-inch kit will still fit you in most of your parking garages, parking decks, etc. But you still have a gnarly stance with some 35. With the offset not being too bad. There's Brian, the customer, with Tom. Right at a 0 offset, so we're not too wild on the stance. 35 Ridge grappler. Did an MBRP exhaust also. Looks great. I'm putting you on the spot. You don't mind? What's your thoughts on how it looks? You haven't driven it yet.
It's great. It's great.
Perfect.
Love it.
What do you think, Tom?
I should take full credit for all this, bud. While Willie's did it.
Ever since I moved next to Tom, Tom's been selling a lot of accessories.
Yeah.
A lot.
A couple superchargers.
Some nice stuff too.
Yeah.
I mean, this is nice. This is real nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's
So
an SXT truck too. I don't see that very often.
that's right. And going up with not going too high on this kit, you'll fit in all your parking garages, parking decks. You have no clearance issues.
Yep.
Thought it turned out great. As he's leaving, we're gonna hear that exhaust tone. And hope he has a safe drive.
Tom Sliger, your salesman.
There you go. Happy customer heading out. Love that exhaust. Not too loud, but just enough.